All right, Sam Manor from Little's Travel Restraints. Today we're at Moorebank and we've got a 79 series, a 2021, and it's a single cab. So you've seen other videos where I've got the dual cab with the additional seat. So we've just got a jump seat in a single cab. So I want you to have a look at this. So open this up. And if you want to take a good look inside there, take the camera in there, have a look at this little jump seat that we've got in there. And you'll see now it's gone from a two-seater to a three-seater. Now, it's only a lap belt, okay, so it doesn't come over the shoulders, but it is legal in New South Wales to have a lap belt. When the handbrake goes down, obviously the leg's going to sit on an angle, but it's doable. So if you're going away, you've got your only child, and you need a seat inside your single cab. It's a little bit squashy though, but it does work, and so it does require an engineer's report, but it's all doable. So here we've got a two-seater, now it's a three-seater. I hope this information has been helpful. I'm Sam, we'll catch you on the next video.